Here's a mistake many Python beginners make. They think lists and dictionaries are primitive types. They're not. Let's nail down the 4 actual primitives. First up are the numeric primitives. Integer, or int, handles whole numbers like 42 or -17. Float handles decimal numbers like 3.14 or -2.5. These two cover all your basic math operations. Next is string or str. This primitive handles any text data, whether it's a single character, a word, or an entire paragraph. You can use single quotes or double quotes, Python doesn't care. The 4th primitive is boolean, or bool. This one's simple, it's either true or false. Booleans are essential for conditional logic and control flow in your programs. Now here's what trips people up. Lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets are not primitives. They're collection types that can hold multiple values. Primitives hold single atomic values. That's the key distinction. Remember, int, float, str, and bool are your 4 Python primitives. They're the building blocks for everything else. Practice with Interview Mentor to master these fundamentals. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.